this wall. It's part of the Wenwu temple. Esse mural aqui é parte do templo Wenwu. It's very beautiful. Pode ver um pouco de história aqui, ó, em Taiwan, os aborígenes caçando. You can see a little bit of history. The Taiwanese Aboriginal people hunting and gathering here, wearing their clothes. Let's go up. And here I am, on the top of a small hill where is located this temple. So I came this way. My hotel is near there. Então eu vim por aquele caminho onde estou hospedado, meu hotel é lá perto. Aqui eu estou no topo de uma das colinas. Mais dragões aqui. Tem pagoda. There is a pagoda there. I probably not going there. I have to go to other maybe 3 places today. Okay, let's go down. This is another view behind the temple. You can see the lake in front. Now time to go down. I will carry my bike down. You can see here more details of the walls. Podemos ver aqui mais detalhes das paredes. This is the front of the temple. I have been there once or twice, I don't remember. It's a big, huge temple. Bom, eu já estive nesse templo uma vez ou duas, agora que eu me lembro. É um templo grande. I don't have much time. I was here in this bikeway. Beautiful temple. Two dragons. There are dragons everywhere. Let's go up.
Please subscribe and thumbs up. Não se esqueça de se inscrever e deixar o like. Obrigado. 请订阅和按赞。チャンネル登録といいねお願いします。Suscríbete y dale me gusta, porfa. Iscriviti e lascia mi piace, per favore.